To the Supreme Court hearing a closely watched gun rights case today at issue whether some people accused of domestic violence should be barred from owning a gun. Breaking news anchor Megan Mitchell joins us. So Megan, we know this case has ties to North Texas.
That's right, Kara. This case actually stems from a man from Arlington who's challenging a federal gun law before the highest court in the land today. But this morning, victims of domestic violence all over the country are watching this closely. Justices are taking up a challenge to a federal law that bans Americans who are under domestic abuse restraining orders from owning a gun. Every year, judges issue thousands of domestic violence restraining orders, limiting contact between an aggressor and a victim and blocking some 77,000 gun purchases through the federal background check system. The Supreme Court has to make a decision. After a lower court ruled the law violates the Second Amendment. Now, all this comes after you're looking at him here. Zaki Rahimi was barred from carrying weapons under a domestic violence protection order in 2020. Later that year, he participated in a string of 5 shootings over 2 months. Gun advocates say this law ends up taking away guns from otherwise law-abiding citizens, while some domestic violence survivors argue keeping the laws on the books is a matter of life and death. Now, hundreds of gun safety and domestic violence prevention programs and advocates are expected to rally at the Supreme Court today. Gun rights advocates say they'll be there too as oral arguments begin. Mark?